Hello everyone. In this exercise, we are going to work on the aggregate functions. And our first question is count the total number of students. Then we are going to count number of active students. Question number third is calculate the total number of scholarship amount awarded to the students. Then calculate the average scholarship amount awarded. After that, find the maximum scholarship amount awarded. Then we are going to find the minimum scholarship amount awarded, and that's going to be all for this exercise. Let's try to implement these in SQL. In question number one, we are going to count the total number of students. So here you select and then you write count, and you want to count all the rows in the table. That's why you write asterisk inside your parenthesis, and then you mention your table name. Now it will count the rows even though it has null values, and it will give answer. So we have total 30 records. If you want to see, just go to the table, click on the table and see how many student IDs we have. 30. So these are the 30 records here. Let's solve the question number 2. In question number 2, count the number of active students. We are going to count the number of active students as it is, and if you want to say as active students, and then if you want to write, let's say, let me write this into the next line, where status equals to active, because we have two status, active and inactive. Let's execute this query. 22 active students. Now we're going to solve question number 3. In question number 3, you're going to calculate the total number of scholarship amount awarded to the students. Okay, here we are going to use the sum. I'm gonna say select, and after that I'm gonna say sum of scholarship amount. Okay, let's see where that scholarship is in different table. So this is your scholarship ID, student ID, and this is scholarship amount. I'm gonna say scholarship amount from student underscore scholarships table, and then we need to check which students. So here student ID should be not null, right? So let's write student ID is not null. And if you wanna see, let's say count for that one, count, simply you can write the student ID, and this will count the non-null values for this column. And I will say write student count, and put the comma here, and we should get the results if we execute this query. Okay, we have 10 students and their sum is around 20,000. If you see the students who got the scholarship, their IDs are here, and these are 10 IDs. Okay, our answer looks correct. Now let's move to the next question. And now calculate the average. I will copy as it is, and we just need to use average instead of sum. AVG, and you say here average, and then Okay, this looks good. Let's execute this. It should be around 20,000 divided by 10. It should be around 2,000. Okay, what's happening here? Average. Okay, I'm just saying here. Okay, as AVG scholarship. Okay, let's execute this one and see now. Okay, the student count is 10 and the average scholarship is 2,000. Looks good. Now, question number 5 is find the maximum scholarship amount awarded. Let me copy this as it is, and now we need to find maximum. You just replace this maximum and here maximum scholarship, max scholarship, and this should give you results. Okay, 3,500. If you go to the table and just execute this table, if you see here, okay, 3,500 answer looks correct. This one we just check first 10 and this is the one, looks good. Now let me close this one and we are going to solve the last question and we are going to find the minimum scholarship, and in minimum you just replace this with the mean and this one you write again mean. That's all. Execute this query and you should get the results. Okay, 1,000. If you want to go and check this, check first 10. Yes, 1,000. Okay, is the minimum one. All right, that's all for this exercise. If you have any question or comment, please let me know. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.